where were we? We finished putting this together. I've sewn in the pages into the cover, and I'm working now on the ephemera. So this is our tall journal. It's 11.5 by 5. I say 5, but let's see. Yeah, 4 3/4 to 5-ish. But I have some more ephemera to make because I ran out of time last time. So I've got these pockets, and these pockets, my idea is, and we'll see. There's 6 different designs in the kit for these pockets. I need to punch out the holes, but my idea is to go closer to the center so I have a little bit more room. Well, maybe I would have more room in the back. Maybe I should do it back. Yeah, that might be better because it's flatter. But my idea is to put 3 on the page, and I think I'm going to line it up with the bottom right on the edge. Well, no, I think I have room. I'm going to do about 1/8 of an inch top and bottom, and then I'm going to leave about 1/4 of an inch there and 1/4 of an inch here, and put 3 pockets there, and then I'll do the same thing on that page on this side here. And here's the inserts we made yesterday. I've got a belly band, a horizontal belly band. I've got a couple of envelope flip overs. I just flip these over the top of the page. It's extra writing space, plus it gives you a little tuck spot to tuck things into. I've got some paper clips for attaching, and I think I'm going to attach these on the side of the page. And then we made some clusters. These aren't really clusters, but that's what my prompt was. And I'm going to probably attach these to the top of a page as a tuck spot. But I've got rise and fly with a little butterfly punch, and the labels came with the collection, the words came with the collection, and then I've just got a little bow there. So that's what we've got so far, but now we want to work on the pockets. So I'm probably going to fast forward this part because I'm going to attach lace to the bottom of this pocket 6 times. Because that would be horrible to make 5 of them and then find out you didn't have enough lace. So I am just barely hanging over. So maybe 1/8 of an inch. Yeah, well, just the little scalloped edge there. And like that, and then let's see, probably if these little motifs have well, it's not centered exactly, so I'm not going to do that because then it would drive me nuts if they weren't the same. So I'm just going to do 3 on this side, and then we'll do 3 pockets that have the pearls on the other side. Now where's my multitasker? Just like that. Okay, so I've got 1, and I'm going to make 6 more of these. So we've got 6 beautiful pockets. Alright, so let me clean up these beads and go everywhere. Alright, so we've got 6 pockets. I'm going to set those aside. And the next thing that we have is the side tucks. So what I've got here, and I have already inked this, is I plan for this to be on the edge. Let's see, which one will go where. This is going to be this way, and this will be this way on the edge of the page, so that I can have a tuck spot here and then also open out. So I don't want to put my lace on the fold, because if I do, every time I open the pocket it gets crumpled. So I want to put my lace on this edge here, and that will decorate the edge of that page and not interfere with the pocket. I'm going to put this one upside down on that straight edge. It's not really upside down, but flat side down, I guess I should say. Just like that. And I probably need a little bit more glue in there because it was a little on the curly side. Okay, clip that off. Alright, so now this will be on a right hand page and open this way for writing, and then like I said, I'll glue on 3 sides down here, and I'll be able to tuck something else in there as well. And I'll probably come back to this one and add beads as well. So let's do this side. This will go on the left hand page. Go. Snip that off. Okay, so this will go this way around. Oh, I need to get this little piece. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now we've got 2 side tucks. So we got our pockets, we got our side tucks. So now we have right left corner flips. Oh, I did not ink these. Let's put the pen in the glue real quick so I can ink this. Okay, so this flips down. I'll make sure the words are going the right way. Yeah, this goes this way. I don't know, sometimes it's hard to tell with the writing, and it flips up this way. So we will put the lace on the edge here with the flat side up. And then I think I will probably, on this one, in fact we'll just go ahead and do it, put some of the flat back pearls on the corner down here at the bottom. Just right here like we did on the pockets. One more. we'll trim this. Well, my scissors aren't wanting to cut today. And there we go. Alright, so we've got one. Let's do the other one. Okay, so let's put some pearls here. I think I've got about 5 or 6 more minutes. And I've got 2 more things that I have to get done and then put tags in, and so that's a little bit too low. I don't want it that low. So I'm just going to slide it up and hope that glue, yeah, it'll be fine. So now we've got our 2 corner tucks. I've got 2 of the envelopes that came with the collection, and I've gone ahead and inked those and glued them together. I think I'm going to put lace on this side and at the bottom of this side. And yeah, so let's do this side first. And I've already pre-cut the lace, so that shouldn't take very long. Okay. And then on this one, we can put, yeah, see, if I had done this the other way around, I wonder if I can take that off. No, it's stuck. But if I had done it with the lace, it would have had a little bit hanging down. It would have been decorative, but that's okay. All right, let's do, let's put some pearls on this side. Let me get some of these. I try to turn them over so I can pick them up easier. And I'll do it right here in the middle. Now I've got glue on my finger, I think. Alrighty. There we go. Don't stick to me. Okay. Alright, so we've got our envelopes done now. And the only thing left is the front and back cover pockets. And that's these. Now, this one I'm going to put on the front pocket standing up this way. And this one I'm going to do on the back. Because they were the same direction, I decided to go this way, and I did have to trim off about 3/8 of a, well, to a ½ inch, I don't remember how much it was, on that side too. So I think I'm going to put the lace on the opening on this one. trim that off. Trim that off. And trim that off. Okay, so we have our front and back pocket. And we can go ahead and put some pearls on there too, I suppose. Did I already do this? No. Okay, I'm going to put some up here, and I'm going to put some here. So let's do that. Well, okay, so let's get these where we want them. That looks good. This one already looks good. I have extra glue up here, I can tell because they're moving. Okay. Oh, there's that one I was looking for. Okay. All right. So we have a bunch more parts to stick in our tall journal. So I am going to go ahead and put everything together. And I'll be using the tags and stuff from the collection. There's a bunch of tags in there. And I will be back with a flip through. Thanks for watching. See you next time.